Welcome to MagnumRC.com and the introduction of the Airplane Buddy. Easy to carry, designed to accommodate any modeler's needs without having to be on your knees ever again. How easy it is to set up is as follows. And that's all there is to it. The racks come with fully adjustable U-shape to set the fuselage in, and the flat parts flip up in case you have to do a little work on your wing, and you have 4 or 5 adjustments on the main frame to accommodate. And you can do the adjustments and do whatever you have to do on your wing in a nice little saddle that's soft and protecting. Come time to fly, put things together. These come with fully adjustable yokes, and you can expand them out to any specific model that you have that you need to set up in here. Make your necessary adjustments, tighten just 2 nuts on each yoke, and you're ready for the day. The stand is designed specifically with the cantered forward legs to be able to take any engine running that you may need to do on any size aircraft. When you get up to the 50cc size engines and better, you even have a tie down back here that you can tie the back of the stand down and stake it to the ground. So you have a full operational station that enables you to be able to be highly flexible at the field if you don't find yourself a table. MagnumRC.com, the Airplane Buddy. Remember it? It's only $99.95.